under the blue sky, under the sun burning. I sit alone on the stone, staring at the sky, no cloudy. My childhood flashed away, the windmill going round by the river that I can see. The nature atmosphere so bright, peaceful that I feel, brings me to the times. See the children play and sing, remember me to my hometown. If I want to choose my life this time, I want to stay here any longer, to cleanse my soul from the problems that are cluttering my head all the day, all the day. Sun over my head, burning my whole body, telling me to leave this place. This is my ballads of hometown. In the lonely night, just heard the sound of the wind, blows the night, knows the night, brings me longing for somebody. She is far away, story that has been intertwined between us, but the story has come to an end here without any explanation. Will make me wonder in my mind, baby, what's up this? Anyway, you should say what you want of me. You needn't act like pretending in front of comes inside of my heart. Like a broken branch from the tree, I am silenced on, like I can't believe we've been apart, no longer together. But if that's your decision, I'll accept it. Ooh. Oh. Get up, I'm a baby. One day he came to my house. He came with his girlfriend. She as pretty and so modest. I asked him myself, who was the girl that came with him? I didn't know why I'm so, but I thought that it's just a momentary reaction. He was like proud of her, as if he teased me, and he asked me, do you like this girl, my friend? I could be just silence and smile. It turns out the heart cannot lie to my feelings, that I have feelings toward her, even though I know she is yours this time. But I can't stop these feelings anymore. However, I have to take the risk of destroying our friendship. Whoa, my friend, forgive me. I haven't feelings love with your girl. I hope you can understand about me. It all happens is out of control. It turns out she has the same feelings like me, and I got to say, I am sorry, my friend, if I've been untrue behind you. Destiny. I never thought if we could love to each other. Forgive me, my friend. I see your lies in you. That looks how you treat me. This felt different from another day. You're not wholeheartedly in front of me. I know you've changed this time. Maybe you found somebody new. So you turn away from me. You just forget what we've been through, my baby. But I try to do as you want. Surely see that I feel this time. I let it be though. What you do is pain. The wind take me anywhere, 'cause here too hot to me. Somebody new is the storm of our relations, throwing us away into the problem that probably made your heart waver. Slowly leave me. I don't want the nightmare will belong to us in the name of love. Please don't tell me lies, just say it's true. I'll never hate you, baby. I just need your honesty tonight, tonight. But if you want us apart, I will let you go wherever you are, my love. My loves, my heart. At first time I lost pain. I am lost in my mind for you. Without you I am nothing but a beggar. But I have to move on from everything in the name of love. In the name of at the first breath we took was the beginning of life. Every human was born equal, baby crying. Lord broke up the night. The song of life echoed around them, and the time just went by. We grew up in the caress of mother and lived together in the love of father. Unconditionally they gave up everything, until finally we have grown up to know the world. The world so colorful, like white, blue, or purple. Here we find a way, find a love and friends. Stories that we will make into the history of our lives. Father, mother, we miss you, how you care us with love. Father, mother, we remember when you told us stories before. Father, mother, may you along that's alive in the world. Bitter life or sweet, it's our fate, that we have to live as long as we still take a breath in life to go. Say praise God for Leppard's wing. Thanks God for everything. And I'll walk in through the road, under heat in the sun, burning my skin. It's not felt, I stepped it far away from home. Unwillingly I met a girl at some place. She gave me a little smile that make my heart pounding unclearly. Oh my God, is this name love at first sight? Look in her eyes, so shining. Oh my love, your sound really make me falling in love. Oh, Sandrina is a good name, but I have never been in my heart before. Sandrina, can you feel my hearing voice that always calling out your name? Sandrina, will we be together someday? And I hope someday my dream comes true. No, Sandrina, it's a night to you, babe. Hear this waltzing that I forever is new. Hear this waltzing that I forever you. Oh, Sandrina, do listen my whisper to your ear. You, I just wanna say that I'm falling in love with you. shine falls on my head, heating all over my body. The sun, your heat gives me warmth. The sun creatures on earth, hoping you keep on smiling until an image world shining in there. Keep on shining there, 'cause everyone will always beloved you, the sun. You are the creature of the sky, to be human friends. The sun, you shines brightly on this world's so perfection. You are high in the sky and looking mighty fair. The sun, your place is there so far away from here. I can't touch you 'cause my hand don't reach it. You're the king of the sky amongst million stars. Like arrogant, but you behave wise and kind. Like anger, but gentle to everyone on this earth. The sun shines. Then I wrote a song about the sun that lights up the whole earth for all the time. Come the sun. My heart beats when I look into your eyes, blue eyes which never lose of my mind. Down to the dream, just the deepest dream. You got closer as if you were really mine. Since that moment I have feelings for you, and I'm waiting for that moment again. Baby, do you have the same feelings too? I hope those words out of your mouth tonight. I wanna whisper in your ear a line of words that you might not like to hear, but I don't care. 'Cause I am falling in since I see you there, and I can't bear to say that I love you, baby. Day after day, the love is growing stronger inside of my heart. got your name forever. So deep is my love for you that I couldn't be to describe in words, to say how much I love you. Every night I always call out your name. Victoria, please listen to me now, that I need you, I miss you tonight. Victoria, please tell me now, what can I do for you, for you? The Victoria, please don't let me alone now. Forever in love, forever in my heart. Victoria. Love song, echo in the lonely night. I wish that you would hear my heart voice, who never turns away from you, my love. 'Cause I am going crazy for you, baby. When the love calling you, nobody can be denied. 'Cause the love belongs to everyone. Without it, the world collapses. The love, where do I look for you? I am losing my mind. I am lost in my time, thinking about it for a girl. She drives me going crazy. I am so alone now. Every man will find his love, and so it's one in two. Even to the ends of the earth, we'll never stop chasing ones until the time comes to us. This is how I feel. Deepest love is deep as a lad is deep. Good thing love is magic, can change everything against the logic. Fooling me every day, go crazy. When a man in the storm of love, come and love somebody. I'll hold the flame of my love. It's so hard yet pleasure. Love somebody. Though some whether love that she is given is true or lies behind the innocent face. I am blind in love, so I can't see it, because I'm living in the storm of love. Can you there hear my heartbeat? Every night I'd always call your name. By looking your picture on this wall, who faithfully accompanies me here. Poppy, do you still remember moments? At the first kiss on the lips just blushing. It's an unforgettable moment, forever and ever. I am trying to stay right here with you, girl. Poppy, why do you always shadow me in every moment? Someone never wait for you, never thought. And every year for lovers, so love the pen and mailman. The hope to stay what I'm asking. Oh me, if you're never the moment. Still remember when you told me, never thought it could be so close as this with older man. But that is no longer obstacle, so what a romantic. Day after day living together. Look into your eyes, there's something to say. Too long never ends, lasts forever. See the rainbow behind the sky like a little smile. Be a witness to our love. Oh, darling, you take my hand to lead me the way you love me. How you treat me with affection, love, I can't stay away. The melody of love that I play on my guitar describes my longing for. Tonight, I wanna whisper in your ear a line of word no one else but you, my girl.